Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Data Academy, and in this tutorial we're going to learn how to run regression in STATA. So as we know that regression is used to explain the relationship within the variables, of which we need to have the dependent variable and the independent variable. The first thing, we need to ensure that we import data if the data is in the file that is out of STATA file, and the data that I want to import is in the Microsoft Excel file. So I'll go to File, Import, then from Excel Spreadsheet, Browse. After I browse, I'll go to find the data that is called chicken demand, this one, and open. Then after I open, I want to take this one, which say import first row as a variable name, because the first row was this one, y, x2, x3, x4, and this as a variable name. So I want them to be the heading. Then I press OK. As we can see, we have the variables here. We have y, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6. So if these variables could have the description or label, they could appear in this label explanation. Then in properties, we have the variables 6 variable and 23 observation. So to run regression in STATA, you need to write a command called reg. Reg stands for regression, so you write it in short form, reg. Remember that when you write a command in STATA, use small letters. And if it is command, when you write it, as you can see here, when you write it should appear in blue color. Then after write regression, we start by writing the dependent variable. Then after dependent variable, you proceed with the independent variable. So if you have 2 or 1 independent variable, you will start by writing dependent variable, then the following independent variable will be written. Then here my dependent variable is y, so I will click y. I highly recommend not to write just y here. Better you go to the variable name and click the variable, because you may write and you may spell those words incorrect. Your results won't be displayed. Then the independent variable, we have x2, x3, x4, x5, x6. So it depends if you are running simple regression or multiple regression. Then let's do is x2 and x3. We want to learn multiple regression for the 2 independent variable. After that, you press enter. Then if you press enter, you will get the results here. We have the first table, which contains the residuals, the model, and other explanation like the R-square, adjusted R, F statistic. And we have the second table, which contains the coefficients and the t as well as p-value of your variables. Then from here you can proceed with the interpretation of your variable. Let's